Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, is defending its inflation targeting projections. BOJ Governor Brian Wynter, while speaking at today's quarterly monetary policy report press conference, admitted that the projections aren't always right. But he noted that most times they are, and going forward, he expects the accuracy to improve. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Most of 2018 has been characterized by lower than planned inflation. In fact, price increases did not meet the Bank of Jamaica's target until October. BOJ Governor Brian Wynter explained on Monday that although inflation is now within its target range of 4 to 6%, it could fall below the level again before the end of this year.
Inflation forecasting is not precise. We're estimating what we think will happen to price movements. And then, of course, people make their decisions, and then the price movements come out as whatever they are. So we have to keep that in mind. So as you approach the boundaries, there's absolutely a risk that it goes beyond it, and we need to be aware of that.
Deputy Governor for the Research and Economic Programming Division at the Central Bank, Wayne Robinson, says the official target is for inflation to be around 4% in December.
September quarter came out a little bit higher. So what we're seeing now is really normal expected patterns, really, as the agricultural price increases decelerate during this quarter.
However, going forward, Mr. Wynter says the actual inflation outturn will be more in line with its target.
We hope to be right more of the time than we're wrong, but we're not going to be right all the time. You know, this is not that kind of, it's not a science. But the fact that we're going to be mostly right, and the fact that we're going to keep focused on reacting in a certain way, allows other people to anticipate what we're going to do, and then they will start to behave in a way, we all start to behave in a way that reinforces the achievement of the target.
The BOJ projects that consumer prices will rise to about 4.7% at March next year. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen today. The US dollar sold at its lowest price since May. The greenback closed the day at $126.45. The Canadian dollar is going for $95.04. The pound ended the day at $162.50, while the euro closed at $143.90 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in December went up by 2 cents to settle at $57.38 a barrel. The JSE index gained 2,880 points today, while the junior market index lost 2 points. Among the winners, 1834 Investments, Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, and Kingston Wharves. Now, on the losing side were Carib Cement, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Financial, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.